Ever since I was a youngin', had dreams getting big, stuntin'. Had to make something out of nothing, cause we came from nothing and we still here, struggling. All this pain I'm in really has a nigga beat. Wonder why this fucking world had to choose me. Visions in my mind being truly set free. Only God knows why my demons just won't leave. Homicidal fears killing me as I sleep. I'm praying for a friend that can understand me. Lord have mercy for the way that I think. My demons in my life really want me to sing. My demons in my life really want me to sing. Since birth feel like I've been cursed, nigga. Lost too many friends and it hurts, nigga. Ever since a youngin' there was pain. Living in the ghetto was the hardest thing. Every other night we heard gunshots ring. Moved out the ghetto and all that changed. At 5 years old finally heard birds sing. Gunshots always scared them away. Still as a youngin' I was bound in chains. Bully as a child, never felt in place. Never had a friend that could seem to relate. They always made me feel more alone and ashamed. Now that I'm grown I can feel the same fate. I'm still all alone at the age of 28. Still all alone at the age of 28. Since birth feel like I've been cursed, nigga.